Assalamualaikum grade 5. How are you all students? Today is 25th May and Tuesday. Grade 5, open up your smart mathematics books, page number 38, multiples of a number. Grade 5, in the previous lectures we learn about the factors of a number. Factors क्या होते हैं? Factors of a numbers can divide the number exactly. फैक्टर्स वो नंबर होते हैं जो एक नंबर को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करते हैं. दोज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड द फैक्टर्स. एंड व्हाट आर द मल्टीपल्स? टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ अ नंबर. नाउ व्हाट आर द मल्टीपल्स? मल्टीपल्स ऑफ अ नंबर्स आर द नंबर दैट डिवाइड दैट नंबर एग्जैक्टली without leaving a remainder. For example, now I am writing the multiple of 4. These are the multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 and 20. Multiples are the numbers that divides the number without leaving remainder, all called the multiples. Any number has the countless multiples. Okay, so now you have to, how you can say 4 is a multiple of 4. How you can say, कैसे आप कहेंगे कि 4 जो है वो 4 का मल्टीपल है? Yes, 4 is a multiple of 4 because 4 divides 4 without leaving remainder 0. We can divide 4. 4 को 4 पे 1 time divide कर सकते हैं without leaving a remainder. So that's you can say 4 is a multiple of 4. Now 8, take the next number 8. Is 8 a multiple of 4? 8 divided by 4, if we divide 8 by 4 we will get 2, quotient 2 and remainder 0. So 4 2 times 8 and no remainders. That's why you can say 8 is a multiple of 4. Now the third number 12. Is 12 a multiple of 4? Now we will divide 12 by 4. 4 3 times 12. 4 what times? 4 3 times 12. So you can say 12 is also a multiple of 4 because we get 3 quotient without remaining any remainder, without leaving any remainder. So now we will write some more multiples of I will give you more examples. Now we will, you can see, we will find the multiples of 3. To find the multiples of 3, we will add 3 each time. 3 1s are 3, or you can say you can count the table of 3. By counting the table of any number, you can write the multiples of that number. So now we will write the multiples of 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. Again next is 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. Next 9. Again if you add 3 in the 3 you will get 6. Again add 3. By adding 3 each time we can write the multiples of 3. Okay, by adding the number itself into the number we can write the multiples of a number. So 3 2s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4 times 12, 3 5 times 15, 3 6 times 18, 3 9 times 25 21 and 20, 3 8 times 24 and so on. Countless multiples. Okay, every number has a countless number of multiples. हर नंबर के अनलिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ मल्टीपल्स हो सकते हैं. ओके, इफ़ यू कीप एडिंग 3 into the next number you can write the multiples of next number, all numbers. ठीक है, अगर आप 3 का मल्टीपल्स लिखने हैं तो कीप एडिंग 3 into the number and then you can write the multiples of 3, or by counting the table of 3 you can write the multiples of 3. Okay, so in this way we can find the multiples of any number. This is the procedure. Grade 5, I have told you how to find the multiples of a number. Okay, so in this way grade 5, now you have to do open page number 38. Question number 1. Circle all the numbers that are multiples of 8. हाउ वुड यू फाइंड, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि दीज नंबर्स आर द मल्टीपल्स? इफ़ यू डिवाइड दिस नंबर बाय 8, the remainder should be 0. Okay, is the 52 divisible by 8? No, 52 is not divisible by 8. Divide each number one by 8 to find out either is the number is exactly divided by 8 or not. ठीक है, you have to check the divisibility of the number by 8. Okay, so 52, we will divide 52 first. You can see I check the divisibility of 52 by 8. We will divide 52 by 8 to check either it is exactly divisible by 8 or not. No, 52 is not divisible by 8, so 52 is not a multiple of 8. Now you can see I have taken another number 64. We will divide 64 by 8. In your book another number is given 64. Okay, let's see in your book. Here you can see in your book question number 1, 64 is given here. Here I will check the divisibility of 64 by 8. Okay, so we will divide 64 by 8 to check is the 64 divisible by 8 without leaving a remainder. 8 times 64 and no remainder. So you can say 64 is a multiple of 8. Okay. Now open up question number 2. Given below are some numbers. Here some numbers are given. Grade 5. You have to check. Now A part, write all the multiples of 6. So these are the numbers given. You have to choose these numbers. इनमें से आपने चूज़ करने हैं जो मल्टीपल्स है 6 के. फॉर एग्जांपल कौन कौन से हैं? अभी आई विल चूज़ फ्रॉम द राइट फ्रॉम द इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. 18 is the smaller, so I will write 18, 24, next is 24, 48 and 60. These are the multiples of 6. Now write all the numbers that are divisible by 5. Okay, so you have to divide all numbers one by 5 and have to find the number which is exactly divided by 5 without leaving a remainder. That number is a divisible by 5. Okay, you have to check the divisibility rule. Okay, so 25, 45, 55, 60 and 100. Okay, I have written some numbers for you. These are the numbers that are divisible by 5. Write all the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 वो numbers होते हैं that divides by the 5 without leaving a remainder, जो कि 5 पे divide हो जाते हैं. और for example कौन कौन से हैं? 55 can be divided. We can divide 55 by 5 without leaving a remainder. 65, 100, 25 and 45 and 60. These are the multiples of. You can write them in ascending order. Write all the multiples of 2. 18, 24, 32, 28, 48 and 60. So grade 5, you have to write the answer from some. I have done from A to C, D, E and F. Other you have to do yourself practice on your notebooks. Do question number 1 and 2 on your notebooks.